This is the enhanced Nightlux FL2. It's a portable lantern and flashlight. So when you get outside the box, you'll have the lantern flashlight as well as its charging cable. It has an internal battery that should be charged for 6 to 8 hours before first use. It's a barrel type connector on one end. The connection port is at the top of the light. I'll just plug it in. Plug the other end of the cable into a USB port, whether it be a USB port on a computer or an AC USB adapter not included. And when it's charging, the red light on the side here will be on. Charge it for 6 to 8 hours. Once you do that, you can also use the hand crank on the side. You'll notice as it is charging, the red light comes on. So there is two modes with the FL2. You'll have the lantern. Both the lantern and the flashlight have low and high power modes. As you can see, the lantern mode, right now only 6 of the LEDs are on. There is 12 total LEDs, so when you press it again, all 12 come on. So you have low power with 6 LEDs, high power with 12 LEDs. And then you got the flashlight. Only 3 LEDs for low power, all 6 LEDs for high power. So again, the charging time is about 6 to 8 hours with the USB. You'll get about 4 hours of runtime on the low settings and 1.5 hours on the high settings. And with the crank on the side, if you're cranking it for about a minute or 160 turns, you'll get about 11 minutes on a low mode. It also does have a hook on the top, so you can hook it on to your tent or support beams for a little light. There's a button on the side, releases the clip it on, close it, good to go. Possible troubleshooting tips with the FL2. If it's not lasting as long as advertised, again, you will want to make sure that you do fully charge and discharge the light upon your first use. That means plugging it into charge via the USB cable that's included for 6 to 8 hours, fully draining the light with the included lantern or flashlight. Once it's fully dead, charge it back up again, and then you should notice after a full cycle that the light stays on longer. Once it is charging, again, you'll know because the red light on the side illuminates. So if it's not charging when you plug it in, try a different USB port. Try making sure it's fully plugged into the port all the way, as well as the charging port on the top of the light. And that is the Nightlux FL2 by Enhance.